this is Lucy with WTI, and this can be your next new working desk. I like to stand up for a little bit just to stretch the back. And when I want to sit down, I simply just bring it down. A really cool feature on this is you actually have 4 preset automatic favorites. If you want to add another favorite, you can go down. Let's say you want 38.6. Hold down 4 for 3 seconds. And there you go, saved as number 4. This desk also has a neat drawer. Easy to pull out, easy to pull in. So guys, if you work from home, you absolutely are gonna love this automatic working desk. And that's my point of view.